We are auditing the retail store Banana Clothing. The auditing committee is consisted of a senior auditor with 10 years experience in the retail industry, second junior auditor with some experience in the industry, the senior manager of Banana Clothing, and an auditor with accounting experience. So, based on our investigation of the cash reports of Banana Clothing, we have determined that inherent risk and control risk of Banana Clothing are both low. The control risk and inherent risk are being assessed as low due to strong controls being implemented and the assessment of the environment Banana Clothing operates within, as well as previous audit reports.
Yes, our company strives through ensuring our controls are up to date and being upheld throughout all levels of the company. We maintain strong financial reporting standard as well as you would have seen when going through our previous auditor results.
The essential feature of the tests we carried out on cash balance is the validation of Banana Clothing's bank reconciliations to ensure that the existence and completeness of these reports are up to standards.
Yes, we checked your financial statements and compared them to your bank statements. We tested the mathematical accuracy of deposits and withdrawals made to the bank are correct and that your book balance is also correct.
We also compared the bank statements provided with your books and checked that the original bank reconciliation balance is the same as the source information shown in the statement and on your books.
We also checked any deposits in transit to the bank statement cutoff to ensure that no deposits you made after the cutoff time or that were cleared by the bank before the cutoff time appeared in your bank reconciliation. There was one deposit found after the cutoff which appeared in your bank reconciliation. We recommend that you prepare monthly reconciliations to detect any errors and investigate them quicker.
That doesn't really sound very financially, but I will take it under consideration and raise the matter with other management at our next board meeting.
We also went through your recorded outstanding checks to ensure that they were entered correctly. We verified that the checks shown as outstanding in your bank reconciliations were written before the cutoff and cleared after the cutoff. We found no unpresented checks not included within the reconciliation, and all recorded checks were verified as well.
Next, we went through your bank statements and compared them to the bank reconciliations provided to ensure that any bank charges you incurred were stated correctly in both the reports. We found some minor discrepancies between the two, which need to be addressed. Once again, preparing more frequent reconciliations will reduce the risk of these errors occurring.
We will look into this matter and try to come up with a solution that is viable for our company.
Lastly, we went through the adjusted book balances and compared them to the cash account balance in your general ledger to ensure that they match. We found no discrepancies between the two that need to be addressed.
So as a result of our findings, we recommend that you undertake some more frequent reporting, such as the bank reconciliations.
Well, thank you. I will take your recommendation under consideration and write them to the rest of the board. I look forward to reading the remainder of your report.